Small moral story. This story is all about the talkative tortoise. A tortoise and two swans were friends. They lived near a lake. One summer, the lake began to dry up. There was very little water to drink for the animals. The swans told the tortoise that there was another lake far away with plenty of water. There they could live happily. They came up with a plan to take the tortoise. They brought a stick. They told the tortoise to hold the stick him, not to open his mouth when they flew. The tortoise agreed. The swans held each end of the stick. They flew with the tortoise in between. The villagers saw the three flying. They shouted in wonder. Hearing the noise from the below, the tortoise opened its mouth. It fell down. Moral of the story: focus to the plan and execute. Do not bother others. Keywords from story: plenty, an amount or supply that is enough or more than enough. Brought, to bring something. Flew, fly. Held, to delay or block the movement or progress of someone or something. Wonder, a feeling of great surprise and admiration. Execute, to do or perform something, especially in a planned way. Follow us and subscribe for more video. Please like and share the video.